Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix fit gallery packs GTA 5. The procedure entry point the Steam app could not be located in the dynamic link library. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security. Click on open it. On left side select virus and threat protection. On right side select manage settings. Turn off everything in this page just for temporarily. After turning off, just to minimize this and open up Chrome and check my video description for this site. Just select the link and it will reach this site. Select the download option. After getting download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, double click on this folder and copy all these files. Just need to open up a new file explorer tab, go to the games folder. In my case I saved the GTA 5 in local disk C. As you can see, here is the game folder. Double click on it and paste the game files in here guys. After pasting it, you will get a pop-up. Select the replace all file in the destination. I already did it. After doing it, you just need to open up Windows security we just minimized and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes and select add an exclusion and select folder and you just need to go to this PC and you just need to go to the games folder guys. In my case I saved in C. This is the game folder. After selecting the game folder, select the select folder option and now the game folder will be added in this list guys. After adding it, go to virus and threat protection, select manage settings, turn on everything in this page guys. Now you will never face this problem again and now you can able to launch the GTA 5 without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.